Welcome to Diplomacy India's special program, Ambassador Speaks. And today we have with us Hans Denenberg Castellanos, His Excellency the Ambassador of Dominican Republic, who happens to be the Dean of Diplomatic Corps in India also. Mr. Ambassador, welcome to our program.
Thank you for inviting me and having me.
Thank you. So first thing we'd like to know from you that since you have been the longest serving ambassador of Dominican Republic in India and you are the first one also, what has been your experience in shaping the bilateral relations as it stands today between Dominican Republic and India?
Well, the Dominican Republic opened its mission 9.5 years ago. Our expectations were mainly to attract call centers from India to Dominican Republic to manage the Hispanic market of those American companies hiring Indian call centers. We have managed to have more than 10 Indian call centers establish themselves in Dominican Republic, giving employment to a lot of Dominicans that are coming back from abroad or being deported from the US after 9/11. The bilateral relations have been growing significantly in numbers of trade as well as of high-level visits and of a lot of Indian pharmaceuticals are entering Dominican Republic, which has helped lower the cost of pharmaceuticals in the country for the masses of the country. A lot of textiles is also being bought. Dominican Republic is strategically located in the Caribbean. We are part of the DR-CAFTA, which is the Central American Free Trade Agreement. So although we are a Caribbean country, we are part of the Central American Free Trade Agreement with the US. This gives us a very unique position for any Indian company to establish themselves in Dominican Republic because we are part of the Caribbean and we are part of CARIFORUM. So you are able to look into the Caribbean market from us. At the same time, you can look into the Central American market. And we have free trade agreement with the US, so a lot of products that are assembled in the Dominican Republic are entering the United States free of taxes. Indian companies have looked at the Dominican Republic for its strategic location. We are in the Caribbean. I say we're in the belly button of the Americas. We're right in the middle between North America and South America, in the Caribbean, next to Cuba. We are the second largest island in the Caribbean next to Cuba, after Cuba. The relations between India and Dominican Republic have grown significantly. Our head of state came in early 2012. An excellent visit where he went to 3 cities of India. He went to Bangalore, he went to Mumbai, he came to Delhi. Bangalore, important